Deep in the Catskills, where silence whispers through the trees, there's a tiny cabin that redefines what it means to disconnect and recharge. Meet the tiny black A-frame, a striking minimalist retreat built for slow mornings, starry nights, and everything in between. Inside, you're welcomed by modern simplicity, vaulted ceilings, soft textures, and sunlight spilling through tall windows. Curl up with a book beside the wood stove, or just listen to the sound of wind moving through the forest. A fully equipped kitchen lets you cook your favorite meals, whether it's morning coffee or a fireside dinner for two. Climb up to the sleeping loft, where the bed floats beneath a triangular window, offering forest views you'll never forget. The bathroom is small but smart, clean lines, natural textures, and everything you need. Step outside and the magic continues. A private deck surrounded by trees, a place for coffee, yoga, or stargazing in complete silence. This cabin doesn't just blend into nature, it respects it. Built sustainably, with minimal impact and a deep sense of harmony. Located just a few hours from New York City, this hidden gem is the perfect weekend escape. Whether you're chasing inspiration, solitude, or simply a slower pace, the tiny black A-frame is waiting for you. Subscribe for more cozy cabins, tiny homes, and peaceful places across America.